This is new update for Quiz Abstractor Kit all-in-one. If you have already bought this, so you'll get this update for free, and this is a total new UI design with a new look and feel. So once you download this package, you'll get admin tool for creating quiz data and documentation, which explains how to configure quiz features and data, all of the stuff, and PSD files, the layered Photoshop files. You can have your own themes by customizing this, and iOS native source code, which is the universal source code. This app can run on all iDevices. Before going through any configurations on data creation, so let me have a quick demo. So once you launch the app, the home screen will appear with play quiz, more categories, world score, and about. So let's start with a play quiz. I have predefined with some categories: car, sports, people. So you can see high score is right now is 0, and total number of questions attempted percentage is 0. Let's start with timer based. This is a timer based category. So, and this is a picture type question. Just choose. So you just saw that when I answered wrongly, it highlighted green. That is because I have enabled highlight correct answers if answered wrong. So if time lapses, it will automatically go to the next question. And this is a true false type of question, and the timer based scoring is enabled for this category. And this is a video type question. So now you're seeing a feedback for this question. You can add the feedback for any a question you wish to. This feedback is optional, and every question can have correct and incorrect feedback. If feedback is not there, if user answers particular question, he will be taken to next question. So now this is the final screen. Here you can see the local high score with the game center option, Facebook and Twitter sharings. I have scored 11 points, so this is my initial score, so the high score will be 11. So also you can see that the background color is some orange type colors. That is the color for this cars category. If I would have played sports, then the color would be yellow. So just to keep themed categories. So now I'll show you non-timer based category. So here user can take as much as time he wants. This is a picture type of question. So for non-timer based categories, the score will be calculated like if user answers correctly, he'll get full points. If he answers wrong, then the negative points, whatever you have specified for that particular question. So this is again feedback for this question. I have added incorrect feedback. Okay, so now you can see the background has been changed now. So I'll go to home screen. So more categories. This is basically for if you're planning to sell categories through in-app purchase. You need to enable in-app purchase for the in configurations files, and add a category with a product identifier so that it will appear in more categories list. Once user purchases, it will add up to the play quiz. I'll demonstrate this by adding new category. So this is a world score game center. So right now I have not logged into the game center. Let me log in. So you need to use sandbox account to log in to your game center when you are testing the app, when it's not on App Store. The same credentials can be used to test in-app purchase. Okay, let's switch back to the application. So now you can see I have logged into the game center. So when I say, these are the leaderboards I have created for all the categories I have added. So they are showing up, and this high score will be posted for every category. So about screen. So in about screen you can have plain text or web URL. The page will be shown. So let's go back to the configuration. So let me, okay, so let me explain this configuration playlist. In this playlist we have interface settings and feature settings. Interface settings have app text color. Here you can change app text color. I'll just choose some random color. Please use some sensible color so that app looks good. So I'll make this right now the main menu screen title is quiz. I'll make it quiz app just for demo. I'll make this choose one. Capitalization won't look good. Let me do like this. And about screen title also you can change, like you can say info, let it be about looks fine. So right now it is text. Let me change it to some URL of your website or any about page regarding your company. So let me test interface setting first, rerunning the app. So you can see the app color has been changed. I have used some random color. It turned to yellow color. So everywhere in the app you can see the color has been changed to yellow. So okay, so now you can see the main screen title is quiz app, and category screen title is choose one, and about. So let's check out about. So I have added have an app's Facebook page. So the page is loaded. Please do like the page if you like this product. Okay, so let me come back to configuration.plist. Feature settings is most important one, where you'll configure required features. Enable ad support. If you're planning to support ads, just enable to yes. The application integrates two ad networks, that is Chat Boost and RaveMob. So I have enabled the ad, and also RaveMob. So once you have enabled the ads, you can uh, allow user to turn off ads using in-app purchase with non-consumable product identifier. So that you need to create in iTunes Connect and add it to this remove ads product identifier here. But make sure that you'll enable in-app purchase to yes, so that user can purchase to turn off. Otherwise he can easily turn off the ads. So once you put there, user will be asked for purchase. And also enable in-app purchase will allow you to sell the categories. You need to create non-consumable product identifiers to sell a particular category. I'll show you how to add product identifiers for category to sell. So next is game center. Enable game center. Right now I have enabled it. So if I say no, so it will hide all game center controls on the screen. So data input format, you can use a plist or JSON, the one which you are comfortable with. Though you are using admin tool, which doesn't make much uh, sense for you. If you want to edit files independently, so that could be option. So this is how the data structure is maintained inside. So this, if you choose JSON here, if you put JSON here, the data will be pulled from JSON formatted data. So if you put plist, then plist formatted folder will be picked. So I am using plist, so right now I'll let me put it plist. And shuffle questions, so just to make enable those to yes. If you don't want to shuffle questions or answers, just say no. Full points before seconds, I have configured it as 5. Suppose if user answers the questions within 5 seconds, he'll be awarded to full points. Otherwise, the timer based will be calculated, and timer based is dependent on enable timer based. If this is no, then full points before seconds is ignored, and user will be awarded to full points if he answers correctly. And if he answers wrong, then the negative points will be considered depending on your points configuration for that particular question. So enable parental gate, this is very important if you are planning this application for kids, children. So what happens, Apple does not allow false transactions. So this will enabling this will give a uh, math expression, so that parents will answer if it is a genuine transaction. So just to avoid unexpected transactions. And application iTunes link, this is the link for this application. Once you create app in iTunes, so you can add the link here, so that while sharing your high score, uh, we can share the app link. Yeah, this is all. So I have made some changes. Let me run again. So now you can see I have enabled ad support, so I can see the chat boost ad here. And it's, if I go to settings, I can see turn off ads. So you can even turn off ads. It will ask for in-app purchase, turn off ads. So you can purchase to turn off, or restore if you have already purchased, or cancel it. So let me cancel, because in-app purchase does not work on simulator. So I'll come back to main screen. So here you can see the banner ad is shown up. This is a Raymob ad, and also you can see the world score is hidden, because I have disabled enable game center is set to no, so you don't see any world score icon here. And even on final screen, the world score icon is hidden. So next is here you can see this is a chart boost, sorry, this is Raymob full screen ad. To configure these chart boost and Raymob IDs, you have to go to constants. The file name is ha constants.h. Here you can add your chart boost app ID and app signature, and Raymob app ID. Okay, that's it. This is about configuration.plist. Now I'll explain how to, I'll undo all the changes I have made. So let's have clean app shown. Okay, so okay, so I'll explain how to add quiz data to the app. This is the admin tool. Using this, you can create categories and add questions to those added category. So let me choose existing quiz data. Instead of creating new one, I'll just go to the existing quiz data. The correct path is source code version 8.0, resources, quiz data. You need to select quiz data folder and not other folders. Let me open. Right now the plist is selected. If I had selected JSON, the JSON's files would have been read. So as and when I change the category, you can even see the color is getting changed, and all the data related to those categories are getting changed. So let me add a new category to explain all the fields. This is, let's say this is a test category, and choose 120 by 120 image, some random image I'm going to choose in the app. I'll choose this image. Category description, test category description, and this is category question max limit. For this category you may add hundred or thousands of questions, but every play should have some limit. So I'm going to set it to some 3, so that every time I play it should get 3 questions, not all 1000 questions. So leaderboard ID, I'm not going to specify leaderboard ID because I have not created leaderboard ID for this. So product identifier, I have created one. Let me add that. Okay, so I'll use some product identifier which is already created. So you need to add your product identifier for this particular category, because if you want to sell this, so you need to add product identifier and also enable. Let me show you. Also you need to enable this in-app purchase to yes if you are planning to sell this category. Okay, so leaderboard ID, if you have enabled game center, then you must add a game center leaderboard ID, otherwise it will show an alert. So I'm just skipping it, but make sure you'll add it. So okay. Then you can choose the color for this category. Choose some elegant beautiful color. I have given one option here, find hex codes, which points to some good website where you find good colors. So I'm going to choose some color. Let me choose this green one. I'll just add this color. Please make sure that the preview is showing the color for this code correctly. And okay, so let me add questions. I'll just edit this question. This is first question. So my points, these are the default values. I'm just going to keep same. So the media, this will be a only text question, so I don't want any media associated with it. And first option I'm going to make correct. So don't worry about first option is always correct because the options are shuffled. So this is correct explanation. This is a wrong explanation. So I'll add one more question. Second question of type picture. Choose media. Some media I'm going to choose. Please don't mind. I'm choosing some random picture. So random picture I'm choosing. Okay. So next, correct explanation and a wrong explanation. Okay, the first option I want to make correct just for demo. Next, third question. Third question, this is going to be a true false. You can even use video. So I'll just add only 3 questions. So once you make it true false, all options will be gone and you are not able to edit the options because one of the either answer is correct. Just choose whatever the correct answer and select this correct. Let me make true is the correct answer. Okay, this is I'll not put explanation for this as these are optional. I don't want to give explanation. So let me save this. Let me verify once if anything is missing. So I'm going to have this as a timer required, timer based. So I have checked this. So if you don't want timer based, you can just disable this. I'll just save data. So data is saved. So I'm going to open the project and run. Yes, so now you don't see this category in um, PlayQuest because I have added product identifier and enabled in a purchase. So user has to purchase it in more categories. So now you can see that category is appearing in get more categories. I cannot make a in-app purchase in simulator. This works in devices. This works in all devices, but I cannot test it on simulator. Let me make let me remove the product identifier for this and show you the demo. So, yeah, before that, just a minute. Before that, I want to show you. Uh, yeah, if you tap on, you are getting parental gate because parental gate is enabled. So you have to answer this. So just to avoid children to make unexpected transaction, I'll cancel. Okay. So I'll remove the product identifier and save this and rerun the app. Now you can see the category is added here. So I'll go inside. So you can see this is my first question and this is, the options are shuffled. You can see the first question. So this is first question. The correct answers are shuffled. I'll just answer correctly. This is answered correctly. So this is correct explanation. I'll just answer it wrong. I've added some random picture. So this is a wrong option. Incorrectly. For true false I have not added any feedback, so it will just directly go to next question, final screen. See, as I told, game center is enabled already. Here you can see uh, here you can see enable game center, and I have not added the leaderboard ID for this category, so it is popping up alert message. Once you add leaderboard ID in admin tool while creating data here, so you will not get this alert. Okay, thank you. Let me know how you feel about this and give me your feedbacks. So if you like, if you want to suggest any new features which are key features, I will surely consider them to add to the application. Please buy this source code and let me know. In future I will add more and more features. I am sure the existing customers will be happy because I have really given good updates till now. It's 8th update now. So thank you for your support. Please download. Thank you.